Hi everybody, so welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Beret, so I am back and we're going to find out if I got any heat damage from straightening my hair with a flat iron. It's been over a week now. I'm going to be trying to revert my hair back to its natural state, and I know if I get any heat damage, some of you probably gonna be laughing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know, okay? Why? Because I brought it to myself. So I last week, well, before I straightened this hair, I actually did it. I shampooed my hair and then I did condition, and I didn't put any products in my hair, not even heat protector, before I straightened my hair. Okay, so yeah. If I got heat damage, yes, I'm a grown woman and I'm going to have to deal with it, okay? It's probably 2 years ago I wouldn't have done that. No. But I did it because I was curious and I just wanted to know if my hair would survive it. I have some water and then I have my usual, which is the African black soap right here. So I have trimmed this hair. I don't know if it's obvious or not, but I have trimmed it. And my ends are kind of starting to revert in a way. It's starting to freeze up. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to do it section by section. So I did apply my moringa infused oil last night, just a little bit. That's why it's kind of extra flat as well. So I'm applying just water. Water is not gonna do that much, but let me apply water. Are you guys laughing already? Oh, are you still waiting? Wait. So I have applied water, but because I have a lot of oil, I don't think it's gonna start reverting yet. Oh God, please revert. Oh. Wait. So I'm applying my African black soap to kind of get it going. Revert. Please. Please. This is the time I've always wanted you to shrink, girl. Come on, shrink back, please. They're already laughing. No, hey, please shrink, oh, shrink. Shrink. I can hear them laughing already. Wait. It's coming back, guys. I think it is. Oh, yes. Yes. My hair is reverting, isn't it? So maybe I can laugh now. Oh my God, my hair is literally coming back. Oh yes. So here you go, guys. My hair is coming back. So basically, I have successfully straightened my natural hair without any products in my hair, not even heat protector, and my hair curls are back. Hello, darling. Yes, I know I miss you. I thought I was going to lose you, but you're here. Is it too early to be happy? Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and do the whole entire hair. I actually thought that this hairstyle was not gonna last me that long. I thought my hair was gonna revert in a day or two. I even mentioned it in my last video. So I was very surprised my hair kept straight, and it actually only started reverting, I think, after day 7 or something, and that was when I applied quite a lot of oil in my hair. And I actually did curl my hair from day 6 or so. I curled my hair with curl wave formers. I also did a permanent stay after that. They didn't last long. I filmed it, so I'm gonna share it for sure. So here is half of my hair washed. I actually rinsed the soap out of my hair just so I can show you side by side what it looks like with my natural hair, and then the other side kind of like flat iron. Yeah, so there you have it. You guys know I have different textures in my hair. I will elaborate at the end of the video a bit more. And so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my whole entire hair so that we can check for sure that I don't have any heat damage all the way around my hair. So yeah, my hair is back. I don't think I had any heat damage at all. So remember you guys, I told you that I was trying to deep condition my hair with avocado last time, and I ended up eating it. Yeah, and I had to do the banana hair mask. Yeah, so I decided to try this frozen avocado. It's literally just ripe avocado chopped up and frozen avocados, nothing added, just raw frozen avocados. Right, so I'm gonna do my usual, which is with my coconut milk. So avocado, a little bit of this avocado and coconut milk. That's what I'm going to deep condition my hair with. Don't forget, this is food, so you can consume it. And I'm gonna go ahead now, and I'm going to add my coconut milk to this, and then we're going to blend it. I actually used half of it, but I don't think I needed that much. I should have just used like a third of it, which means I'll be able to use it like 3 times. It was about 350 grams of it. And yeah, and then put the rest back in your freezer. So because it was frozen, after blending it, I did put it through a cheesecloth just to make sure that there is no little bits in there. All right, you can use your strainer, it doesn't matter. And then I apply it to my hair section by section. I do have a video on how to deep condition your hair with this stuff, so I will link that video for you. It is very simple and it's very helpful. All right, so you can check that video out. Oh, look at my hair. My hair feels so soft after this deep conditioning. And yeah, like I said, I have 3 different textures in my hair. My crown is 4C hair, and my sides are 4B hair. And then at the back of my hair, I have a little bit of 4A hair there. And yeah, so there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.